Welcome to Sayulita Wellness, where we believe that true transformation starts from within. Whether you're looking to find clarity, release limiting beliefs, or heal emotional wounds, we have tools to help you on your journey. Today, we're introducing you to a powerful free tool that anyone can use, Byron Katie's 4 questions, also known as the work. These 4 questions are a simple yet profound way to examine the thoughts that cause stress and dissolve their power over you. Let's walk through these questions together. First question, is it true? When a thought weighs heavily on your mind, ask yourself this. Often, our minds create stories that we automatically believe without question. Second question, can you absolutely know that it's true? This step invites you to go deeper. Can you truly know if that stressful thought is 100% factual? Third question, how do you react when you believe that thought? Notice how the thought affects your mood, your body, and your actions. Does it create tension, anxiety, or stress? Finally, ask yourself the 4th question. Who would you be without that thought? Imagine your life without holding on to that belief. How would you feel? Who would you become? These 4 questions can be used anytime, anywhere, to help you release the mental clutter that's clogging your mind. For deeper work, we recommend using the maps of consciousness to explore thoughts and feelings that stem from the lower levels of consciousness, like shame, guilt, fear, and anger. At Sayulita Wellness, we're here to support your journey towards inner peace and self-discovery. Use these 4 questions to gain clarity and release what no longer serves you. Ready to take the next step? Learn more about our retreats and how we can help you live with more peace, joy, and freedom.